10 Essential MongoDB Commands for Developers and DBAs. Show DBS. As a developer or DBA, the first command you'll often need is show DBS. This command provides a list of all the databases in the MongoDB server. It's especially useful for understanding the MongoDB environment. It quickly verifies what databases are available. Use : once you have a list of databases. The next step is to switch to the database you want to work with. The use command allows you to change the current database context. db.createCollection : in MongoDB, data is stored in collections. The createCollection command creates a new collection in the current database. MongoDB is flexible. It will create a collection when you insert data. But, it's best to create a collection if you need specific settings or validation rules. db insertOne : inserting data is one of the most frequent tasks for a MongoDB developer. The insertOne command inserts a single document into a collection. This is a basic yet powerful operation for adding records to your database. db insertMany : for multiple document inserts, use the insertMany command. It lets you insert multiple documents at once. This is often more efficient than inserting them one by one. db find : the find command is one of the most commonly used commands in MongoDB. It allows you to query documents in a collection. By default, find will return all documents in the collection. However, you can specify filters to narrow down the results. db update: updating data is an essential part of working with databases. The update command is used to update a single document in a collection. You can specify the query to find the document and the update operation to apply. db delete: when you need to remove a document, the delete command is your tool. This command deletes a single document based on a given filter. You can use this for things like removing outdated records or cleaning up invalid data. db.drop database: as a MongoDB DBA, managing databases often includes deleting unused or unnecessary databases. The drop database command removes the entire database. It deletes all collections and documents in it. db.aggregate: for more advanced data manipulation and aggregation, the aggregate command is indispensable. MongoDB's aggregation framework lets you process and transform data. It can group, sort, and perform complex calculations. Conclusion: in conclusion, MongoDB is a versatile database. It offers developers and DBAs many commands. They can use these to manage data, optimize performance, and ensure data integrity.